Hey guys, welcome back to episode 7 of restoring the iconic catastrophic Cosmo. Now, the reason we call it catastrophic Cosmo is if you've watched the previous video, you'll find out that we've got crash damage on this side, on this front corner, on this back corner, right here as well, and it's just filled with rust. Now, in the previous episode also, we made a brand new panel, which is for this inner sill, and this is the old panel, as you can see, super rusty.
Right, so as Ryan said in the previous video, we made this panel, which fits just here. Now the process is, what you do is you deconstruct the panels as you go down and you reconstruct coming back up again. So now, once we've made this panel, we can then get onto the next panel and the next panel underneath that. So today we're going to start by unpicking and remaking this panel.
Right, so we've made this panel. We've actually made it longer and wider than what it needs to be because we can always chop some off once we've got all the bends. Now this threads in here, but it doesn't go high enough up because it actually threads between this seam here. So we're going to cut this section off here so we can actually thread this in there and to make sure we've got all of our bends where they need to be.
Right, so this is the panel we've just made. Goes there. This is the panel we made in the previous video. That goes there. Now, we do have to attack this neck section, but before we do that, we do have to brace it up. And as you can see, this makes our sill section and the structure of his car. Right, so we've just chucked this bracing in. This bit here is to stop this from drifting this way or that way. This bit here is to stop this from flopping this way. And this bit here is just to support the floor section a bit. Now, this is only temporary. This is just while we work on this corner section. We'll then cut this out. And when we come to doing the sills and the floor pan, we'll put a full brace inside this car. Right, so this panel's shaped up. There is still a lot of metal on here, so it won't go in properly, but what we're going to do is we're going to show you kind of where they go. Right, so that goes there, but it can't push in completely because there is metal in the way. We've then got this panel that goes on there, and obviously that marries up to the bottom of this. Then we've got this panel that we made in the last video that goes there to complete the front section. Now there is this lip here. This does have to eventually, when we put the floor pan on, it falls onto the floor pan.
So if you've enjoyed the video, do click that subscribe button and click that like button. That's going to be it for this video. Do check us out in the next Cosmo video where we're going to continue on this section and hopefully get onto that floor pan.